In this video we will go over an example, and let's so we're going to basically solve a problem in this example, and let's read the problem statement. It is known that screws produced by a certain company will be defective with probability 0.01 independent of each other. The company sells the screws in packages of 10 and offers a money-back guarantee that at most one of the 10 screws is defective. What proportion of the packages sold must the company replace? So go ahead and pause and read the question a couple of times, and make sure that you understand what this statement is telling us. So what are we trying to find? We are trying to find the proportion of the packages sold. So what proportion of the packages sold must the company replace? Well, so let me express this, express the quantity, that the proportion as a probability. So we are basically looking for the probability that a package will be replaced. So what we want to find is the probability P of the event that a package will be replaced. Well, the probability that a package will be replaced is the same as remember, a package will be replaced when there are more than two, when there are at least two defective screws in a package. So what we need to find then is the probability that the number of defective screws in a package is at least 2. So that's what we want to find. So notice that we have 10 screws per package, and so let's think about checking a package for defective screws. So let's think of a trial where the trial is checking each screw in a package. So each trial can result in each trial can result in a defective screw or a screw that's not defective. So success here will mean defective, failure will mean not defective. And so here we have 10 trials per package. If I take X to be the number of defective screws per package, then clearly X is binomial with parameters 10 and 0.01. Remember, in the question we were told that the probability that a screw in a package is defective is 0.01. So what we want to find again is the probability that the number of defective screws in a package is at least 2, which means in terms of X we want to find the probability that X is at least 2. Well, that would be the same as the probability that 1 minus the probability that X is less than 2, strictly less than 2, which is the same as 1 minus the probability that x is 0 plus the probability that x is 1. Now, since x is a binomial random variable, we know its PMF. So this is 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1, should be minus p of 1. And by using the PMF, we know this is 1 minus, there are 10 trials, so 10 choose 0, 0.01 to the power 0, and times 0.99 to the power 10, minus p of 1 would be 10 choose 1 times 0.01 to the 1 times 0.99 to the 9. And finally, the final answer will be can be calculated from your calculator. Let me do that and pause. And from the calculator we get that this is going to be 0.0043. Alright, so that's the end of the solution. In the next video we will be going over another example.